Area Troy Salute, and I welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk how you see them. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, like, share, and drop comments for inside this video. Arsenal 3 and Manchester United 2, and we get Oga Obama will be like saying, Ogbonge person, Ogbonge football fan, make tell us about how you see this game. Oga Obama, now how you see the performance for both teams today?
Well, I'll rate them. Arsenal for 70%, then I'll give my 30. Arsenal was the better side in terms of defensive.
Talk about Pidgin now, an area within, like all the people like say we did school.
In terms of midfield defense, even the attacking force. Once Saka open, you go see that man defense as they shake. Arsenal was better. Arsenal good passing for everything today. They're every day lucky enough to get 2 goals. I mean, talk anywhere. They're lucky. Me, I'm not be Arsenal fan, but I'm Chelsea fan. They be our London brothers. Normally, they say support your own.
So you support your own against Man U?
Support my own against mine. It's just like if Man U go outside for Champions League, I'll support Man U because they be English team. I be Chelsea fan, means I support England clubs, so I support all English team. Like today now, 2 English team they play, but 1 are for London like us, so I got support my London brothers. So Arsenal was a better team than Man U.
So for today's game now, Obama, now which player you go say now be your man of the match?
Well, so me, I never really figure out, but I see Saka really work on Arsenal, on Man U. Now just the threat. Now be the threat for the Arsenal team. This OJ guard, I love the way the boy they play. A very big mistake for Madrid to say that, but I think they're impatient.
So with what you they see now, you know, so when the season starts, when Arsenal begin to show workings, can reach this time for inside the league, Arsenal only 1 game. Some people will talk say Arsenal and initial gaga they did. If they play big team, they go lose. If they play big team, they go lose. They don't play Liverpool, they don't play Tottenham, they don't play Manchester United now. Now, how you they see this Arsenal team? You think say they be title contenders as a neutral fan?
First of all, their manager now, Nketiah, a former Arsenal player. He know the life and everything about Arsenal team, and he learned from the best, Guardiola. So now manager, I get vision, not be just an manager. You see where they blend these young boys. So people, Arsenal and Nisha Gaga, but to me they be threat, they be title contender. Even if Arsenal not win the league, believe it or not, they go there top 2. But I see them to win the league actually. I support them to win the league. Now 5 point difference, and they still get a long way to go. But if they put on this fight for a long time, before match ending, we don't see them to carry the cup. To me.
So what about Manchester United now? You think say Manchester United see them for inside this race?
Initial Gaga.
They're not there again.
Even that 14, they made they look their back. For Chelsea and Liverpool go fight to the end. Definitely fought, but may they look their back. They say if rats they sleep and you know say rat be their around because they sleep on why. So remember you know say trouble to their back.
All right now, go Obama. Thank you for your time. My country people now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.